far too high to land.
So I said we should go around this thing.
Yeah. We've gone over the island. No, we are in the south still. Yeah. No, we've just gone over the island and back. So we're still on the south. Yeah. 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 So he's done one circle around the island. Now we're lower. Back to where we were now, where the speedboat was. Second approach after circling the island. Well, at least it's down. Happy days. Here we go. This time we're coming into land.
Cabin crew, take your seat for landing.
Look at that little island there. Little strip of sand.
The beach.
Yeah. Get a boat trip out there. You can go on a boat trip. I can go on a boat trip. The red rooms they got there. It's funny you see it on Google Earth. Until you get here, it doesn't exist. Is that Lagana down there?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Sunbeds on the beach, you said you've got to pay for sunbeds. Well, we found a restaurant there.
Oh, coming in.
Breakfast. You can have a sunbed for free all day. Because there was three of us. They give us
Coming in, coming down. Look at that.